number of steps to converting an equation into a slope-intercept form varies depending on the equation. For example, the example shows the problem x plus 15y equals 3. To begin to convert the problem into slope-intercept form, you have to subtract the x from both sides to get the 15y by itself. For step 2, you would divide all terms by 15 to get the y by itself, and you end up with y equals negative 1 over 15x plus 1 over 5. And to get your slope, you look at the term with an x behind it, and the y would be the base, which is the second number, since the equation for slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So the answer would be that the slope, or m, equals negative 1 over 15x, and b, or the y-intercept, equals 1 over 5.
For the second example, you have to get the variable y by itself, so you subtract 8x on both sides. Then the equation is 4y equals negative 8x plus 16. Now divide 4y with everything in the equation, so the example is now y equals negative 2x plus 4. So it's in slope-intercept form, and the slope is negative 2, and the y-intercept is 4.
In example 3, first you have to find the slope and y-intercept. In a word problem, there is a $20 fee every month in the gym. So $20 would be M and months would be G. Total cost in the equation is C, because C is the total and G represents the number of months spent at the gym. So 20G is the y-intercept, 50 is like what you start with and can be called a flat fee. The equation for this word problem would be C equals $20G plus $50.
To find the slope-intercept form in the fourth example, you first have to get 2y by itself, so you add 8x on both sides. Then the equation changes to 2y equals 8x plus negative 24. You then divide 2 with everything on both sides, so the equation is now y equals 4x minus 12. The equation is now in slope-intercept form, so the slope is 4 and the y-intercept is negative 12.